Hey, welcome back, guys. It's auction day. We're here at the auction in Kent, Washington. Found this Viper truck. We're gonna go take it for a drive and see how she feels. I'll do a little walk around and show you a video. Aftermarket exhaust. Sounds loud. The battery was super dead. I had to use 3 jumpers over there just to get it started. So it's a stick shift. Let's hope we don't kill it or stall it. Doesn't die. Big 22-inch wheels. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 22-inch 305/40. Both all 4 non-staggered. I think these are 8.1 liter 10-cylinder. A lot of torque. But let's see, somebody's calling me. We'll call him back later. Let's take her for a drive, see how she feels. I drove one of these a couple years ago. Tons of power, torque. Some of these come with a 4-door, some come with a 2-door. You got your badges, automatic windows. Nothing too fancy, just simple old truck. 2006, 43,000 miles, super low miles. Cool sway, leather seats, power. A little storage here. Let's jump in it. We got a oil temp gauge, storage console here. Let's see, roomy. This opens up to a bigger storage. Heated seats, climate control, stock deck. It's got a push start, so basically like a Honda SRT1000, you have to put the key on the as far as it goes, like accessory, and then you hold the clutch and hold the start button. 6-speed. And let's go drive her. Let me give you some revs. Super loud. You can hear the thunder. Kind of cool. That sounds juicy. Sounds like wet farts, I would say. I got my wide angle lens on. Let's take it for a drive. So let's get the brake off. Okay, here she goes. Let's close this window. First gear. There's the other SRT10. I drove her on our gas, but drives good. Okay, we got a brake light on, even though my parking brake's off, so maybe the brake pads are going out soon, going low. Let's let this guy go. We'll go next. First gear. Yep, she wants to spin. Torquey. I drove a Viper this era a couple weeks ago. Just surprised how crappy and loose the whole car feels on speed, but not any better than this. This is a truck, so I'm not gonna complain much about stability and all that kind of stuff, handling. But the Viper itself was surprisingly disappointing. Reverse. Let me see, how do you go in reverse? Okay, we're in reverse. First gear, let's give it some sauce. Yeah, she spins. Second gear. 60 miles an hour, second gear. Third gear. Fourth. You can hear the backfireless downshift. Third gear. Second. A little backfire pops. Kind of cute. Let's go again. I'll be a little more gentle this time. Let's pretend like I'm a regular customer looking to buy a car in a test drive. Downshift. Yeah, like I said, it's a two-wheel drive, so not much of a trunk functions in this thing except the bed in the back. It's just a hot rod, so if somebody's a big fan of Vipers or Dodge Rams, this might work. But I don't think you would pull a boat or anything heavy, RV, of course. She moves, yeah. Third gear. All those popping. Just the hot rod. I'm gonna put a price bid on this, do some research at home tonight, see what they go for, and then see if we can play it tomorrow. I never had one of these myself, so gotta really see what they go for so we don't waste money. Don't get stuck with it. It's winter season, it's November, December here. We don't want to be stuck with the pricey car for a whole winter. Summer is good. Summer's people have money, they want to travel, drive, money to spend, but winter, you gotta be careful. Gotta play smart. Let's leave it here. Do a little look around side again. Drives fine, I guess. Doesn't overheat, nothing funny like that. No funny lights except the brake light. But that's probably brake pads. Cool truck, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check in with me again. We'll see what I get next week. And I'll let you know if I buy this truck. You'll see it on my lot. I'll do a test drive with some burn house or something.